So this is another things from EA Racings, like the parts. Basically this is Traxxas the touring cars. The EA Racings make it's nice option for the blue anodized aluminum low arms here, front and rear. And all of the blue parts, the C-half, the steering block here, the shock towers, front and rear as well. Drive shaft, all of the blue parts, blue aluminum parts from EA Racing. So I make that hop-up options. Basically to make way more stronger than plastic pieces, and should be performance is good, but it depends on the race or not. But normally it's the aluminum parts that make looks really nice and super durable. So this is also one of the things from EA Racing super nice products.